In this video, we are going to discuss the on-page factors for search engine optimization. Hi everyone, this is Osama Naseem, and in this video, we are going to discuss the on-page factors for search engine optimization. There are so many different factors which involved in on-page optimization. We will go by them one by one. The first factor is this, that your URL should be SEO friendly. What does it mean? It means that if you are targeting a particular keyword, it should be appear in the URL. For example, if you are giving different services, for example, search engine optimization services, development services, or graphic designing services, and you have created a web page for SEO services. So you have identified that this is the most important keyword, which is SEO services, and you have included in your web page URL. So the web page URL will look like this: www.xyz.com/SEO services. Next, you need to include your keyword in the title of the page. The title of the page is the most important thing because Google actually shows this in the search results. Similarly, you need to include your keyword in the meta description. The next step is this, that you need to include your keyword in the H1 of your web page. Next, you need to include your keywords very intelligently in the content, but make sure you do not do keyword stuffing. You need to use different variation of the keywords, and you can use long tail keywords because your content will be read by the humans. So make sure it is human friendly as well. Next, you need to include your keyword in the images alt tag. You know, the search engines cannot read the images. That's why you need to use the alt tag. Next, make sure that your web page is responsive as design. That means your web page will be seen on different devices, like people will see it on mobile, on laptop, on tablet, etc. So make sure that your web page adjusts itself according to the width and height of the device. The next thing is this, that you need to include the social media sharing buttons on your web page. Why we need this? Because when people read your content and they find it useful and valuable, they would like to share it on their social media platforms. When they share it on the social media, it gives a signal to the Google that people find a particular web page content useful, informative, and valuable. That's why they are sharing it. That means something is important. So that's another factor which is involved in the on-page optimization. So hope you have learned different on-page optimization steps. If you have some other tactics about the on-page, do mention in the comments below, and you can also ask if you have any questions, and subscribe to this channel and keep learning. Take care. Bye bye.